Another structure is also possible, that is Fisher projection formula. Since the mechanism you know, it is easy. Here it is C1 C5. This is C2 C5. Only thing is that elimination of water as like this. 2 H plus ions and 1 oxygen atom with 2 minus charge. That is how we are getting water molecule here. That's the only difference. We cannot see the elimination like this. It can be explained with the mechanism, that is aldehyde group. 2 electrons, hydrogen is separated and shown. This keto group, 2 electrons are given to oxygen, keeping the oxygen minus. Carbon gets a positive charge, and that carbon is connected to the C5 carbon by the minus oxygen, because here the 2 electrons are given to oxygen, getting a minus charge. H plus is eliminated. This H plus comes to this O and forms an OH minus, which you already studied. Therefore, here what is the main point is that these two structures should be connected. For that, here the keto group, same effect. From this keto group's oxygen is not required, because here there is already an oxygen, and that oxygen is connected to the positive carbon atom here. Therefore, that bond is okay. Here both the electrons are given to this oxygen. That is why this carbon is getting a positive charge. This positive charge, again one more positive charge is required to connect the C5 to C. Therefore, giving the 2 electron here, taking away by the oxygen, carbon is getting another positive charge. Therefore, this carbon is connected to the C5 carbon atom. One positive charge is neutralized by connecting it with oxygen. Therefore, O is eliminated as O2 minus. From here, one hydrogen is eliminated as H plus, and one H plus is eliminated from here as H plus. Therefore, a water molecule is formed as a result of joining these two molecules. Try to do by yourself by doing the mechanism, and see that whether you are getting a connection between the first carbon atom and the second carbon atom, and a fifth carbon atom and a first carbon atom, and the fifth carbon atom and a second carbon atom, and refer the textbook to see the answer whether it is correct.